In the land of the rising sun, during the 17th century, the Tokugawa Shogunate stood as an unyielding pillar of power, a beacon of stability amidst the turbulent seas of Japanese feudalism. Under the rule of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the first shogun, the nation was united under one banner, ending a century of civil war known as the Sengoku period. Ieyasu, a cunning and resourceful warlord, strategically manipulated alliances and exploited opportunities to consolidate his power. Yet, the path to dominance was not without challenge. The Toyotomi clan, led by Ieyasu's bitter rival Hideyoshi, had also sought to unify Japan. The Battle of Sekigahara, in 1600, would decide the fate of the nation. Ieyasu's forces, though vastly outnumbered, emerged victorious, securing his claim to the title of shogun. With the Toyotomi clan vanquished, Ieyasu established his seat in Edo, modern-day Tokyo, transforming it into a bustling metropolis. The city became a symbol of the shogunate's power and wealth, attracting merchants, artisans, and scholars from across the land. However, the Tokugawa Shogunate was not a benevolent reign. The feudal system, with its rigid castes and strict codes of conduct, ensured that power remained in the hands of the elite. The peasantry toiled on the fields, bound by the oppressive burden of debt and taxation. The Edo period, as it came to be known, was a time of peace and isolation. The shogunate imposed the Sengoku policy, closing Japan's borders to the outside world. This self-imposed isolation, though intended to preserve Japanese culture, stifled technological advancement and economic growth. Yet, the seeds of change were sown. The arrival of Commodore Perry and his black ships in 1853 marked the beginning of the end for the Tokugawa Shogunate. The shogunate's refusal to adapt to the changing world led to the Boshin War, a bloody conflict that saw the rise of the imperial restoration and the fall of the Tokugawa Shogunate. The Tokugawa Shogunate, once a symbol of power and stability, crumbled under the weight of its own rigidity. Its legacy, however, remains a testament to the complexities of power, the ebb and flow of history, and the enduring spirit of the Japanese people. In the annals of history, the Tokugawa Shogunate stands as a monumental chapter, a tale of power and politics, of progress and stagnation, of a nation that rose, flourished, and ultimately fell, leaving behind a rich tapestry of culture, tradition, and lessons for future generations.